Welcome back to another video, you guys. Today is a very special day. Dang ring. Trae Moua is hosting like one of the biggest events. Spring off into the car season. First official car meet, car show, whatever you guys want to call it, gathering of the season in the Midwest here. Thank you so much, little brother. All right, let's get into it, you guys. It could be a very long video, I'm not gonna lie. I'd like to cover about 90% of the cars there. Cold start. We have to get gas again. Running E85 or just any vehicle in general at this horsepower level. I know I make about 1,000, people say, but we only get about 200 to the tank. And as you guys can see, we are 150 miles till empty. I am on E85. I don't want to hear it about you running on a winter blend. Well, this winter blend is clapping all you guys. So 20 bucks for 5 gallons. Ooh-wee, that's expensive. Man, back in the day, last summer, I swear it was 20 bucks to fill up a whole entire tank. But, you know, times are tough these days, so gas is good. Let's go get some food. Alright, so we actually switched parking spots. So I was over there in the back, but like there's a little more traffic over here. So Mustang and GT are getting some more love out here. Like I said, we do have the dyno sheet posted there, and we got some money posted there. So I don't know. I should really post up like a camera to capture everyone. Talk about this is the TikTok Mustang. Like that's all I heard was this is the TikTok Mustang, and don't run it. So that's pretty dope. But let's just walk down the line. We'll start from the beginning. So we're gonna start in the very front. This is the infamous Trae Moua's car. It's his event, whatever. So we just walked down. I guess this must be the VIP line. Whoa. Hey, is that a Subi over there?
It's broken.
Broken. Did you tow it here?
Yeah, we towed it here. I towed it on the highway. Get this here.
What did that say? Oh. What's up with this rope? VIP? What? I don't know. I feel like I'm back at the club. Where's the bottles?
No, you were bringing them.
We got Lambo over here. All right. We got the Hellcat. All right. Listen, Mason, what's good? Where's the Evo? What? It's packed. It is absolutely packed, you guys. So this is the VIP show line area kind of thing. This is Nick's car. They towed it here because it doesn't run. Carbon fiber, cool stuff. Yeah. It's so packed here. Lambo. Oh my goodness. It's an absolute zoo here. That's cool. That's cool. All right. Interesting. So the show just started, and look how long this line is. Oh my gosh, it's muddy. Just look how long this line is. Wow. There he is. Trae Moua. There he is. Look who it is. Trae Moua, the man himself. Hosted the biggest meet the world's ever seen. Shut down the whole city.
Minnesota history.
The traffic jam.
Got an SVJ here.
Oh my gosh.
Twin turbo Huracan. That thing's twin turbo.
Twin turbo. All right, I like it. All right, so we're gonna be at the very far right of the lot. What do we got? What do we got? What do we see? Got some Subis. All right, first Subi. All right. Datsun over there. Oh, look at this. This is pretty cool. All right. Oh, what's this? Damn. Oh, shoot. Let's go even further over here. Check this out. Man. Chargers, man, I tell you. Mustang. I'm trying to cover all the cars here. This is crazy packed, and the event just started 20 minutes ago. What? Yeah. So you never know what you're gonna find over here, you guys. We got a vet over here, just randomly over here. Hey, look at this vet. Wow. It's expansive wheels right here. Wow. Oh, give my shot. Yo, that's sick. What else we got? We got a Charger. What is it? Oh shoot, my man. It looks like he's pretty serious over there. Got like some brewskis. Yo, is that a Supra? Yo. We got a vet over here, just by itself. Is that right? Look at how these guys parking the wrong way. I thought these guys were show car guys. You parked it the wrong way. On a court over here. All right. So that's done with this row. Let's see what else. Yo, check out this Mustang parked on snow. What? Oh, the Miata. They did this Mustang dirty, dude. They were like, nah, you ain't getting a spot in the show. You get a park in the snow.
Look at Alan's plate.
No. Yo, it's the fast one. Let's walk down this aisle here. Let's just see what's good out here. We really don't have any cool cars like California or Arizona, but like this is the car community out here. We got, you know, almost finished type cars here. Almost finished, you know, we take a couple more years. Yeah, just type R, Mustang. Oh, see GTI on the side. We'll get to that. Couple of Dodges, typical. RT, all right. Must be Team Mopar over here. All right.
Yeah.
Oh, truck, dang, that's a big truck. Oh, we got a Subi. Oh man. Yo. Dude, we got another Subi. Yo, stage 2? Yeah?
Stage 2 wide body.
Whoa, it's wide body.
Yo.
You got a horse dong on this thing. Holy. Dude, this truck is massive, dude. You can put your head in that thing.
Dude, it's almost big as the pig.
Jeez. That's pretty sick. That's what we like to see. Yeah, I like that Civic. I like it.
Audi wagon.
I like the wagon. All right. A lot of daily driven type vehicles out here, but that's okay. It's okay. Well, we got an R8. All right. Not bad. It's pretty dope. Right. Really nothing to see over here again. Let's just sneak over to. I don't see anything too crazy. Was that a Viper? Huh. I want one. This would be the one to have if I get one. But, yeah. Holy crap! Look how stacked everyone is over there. That's crazy, you guys. It is so packed here. We can't fit any more cars in, but people are still flowing in. Dang, no cap. All right. Interesting plate. Look, you're sick me out. Yo.
I took one for the team for you guys last night.
No cap.
No cap.
I like it. Dude, I just love this Viper. C7Z or Viper next. Like, you just can't go wrong with this. It's just so sick. And then basic bolt-on 700, man, that's all you need.
It's a Mustang.
It's over there. I got my dyno sheet over there, and then I got the fake money, so you should like go hype it up a lot.
Okay, I will.
Yo, it's the V6, dude. Nah, he got it. He got to go. I'm sorry. I had a Black Sea TSV coupe. The V6 don't count anymore, man. Can't do that. Can't do that. Cool Viper, man. All right, what's good over here? Come on, Minnesota, let's go. Oh, this is cool. That's cool. This guy needs to finish the car, but all right. Oh, what's this? Car party? Oh, charity. My dumb ass. Hey. Yo, you guys got glasses. All right. Yo, sick Mustang. Oh, that's low. That's low. Oh man, that's so low.
I see you. I beat those.
Damn.
I don't beat those.
With M2 comp over here.
I heard that shit from
Alright.
That's okay.
We got a Subi over here. Alright. What else? What else is good? We got a big truck.
I don't know. There might be some finish in the back.
There's gotta be some hidden gems over here. Come on.
Remember last year when they took the drone shot? That shit was fire. You can see my car because I like it.
Oh yeah, K20. This thing's clean. Cleanest headlights I've ever seen in my life. Damn, look at that.
Yeah,
Dude.
you never seen anyone rock this?
Holy cow. No one rocks that bug shield. Yeah. On a carbon fiber. My goodness, this thing's sick. Full interior, man. All OEM.
How did it be a Civic here?
That thing's shiny. Alright. We got this Type R here. This one's from Gran Turismo or something like that. Record breaker Type R here. That's so dope. Oh, it's the Type R gang. Holy smokes. Yo, check this thing out. Check this out. I like that. Sick. But as you can see, we got the Type R gang out here. Minnesota loves it out here. See some cool cars. See some bag type stuff here. Oh, what's up? We got a couple Honda Civics over here. I don't know. Looks interesting. We got car community.
I know I do.
That's pretty cool. And then we got, look at this. Oh, we got Rev Off here. Type R gang. All right. Oh, we got something wrapped. All right. That's cool. BMWs. All right. All right. This is what the car community is like out here, guys. Oh, dang. Sorry. Oh, damn. Yo, it's because you're too sexy. All right. RS gang out here. All right. Yo, there's a Tesla.
Don't they have like auto parking?
Yeah. Yo, what is this?
SE.
SE? ST?
No, SE.
SE. I don't even know what it was.
Or the grill area gives it away.
Damn. All right. Different, but I like it because it's different. All right. We need more of that stuff around here.
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
Hey. All right. Domino's. Ask him if he's got pizza. Let's go.
Hey, do you have pizza?
Who that? We need it on film. We need that on film. Oh. Oh.
Where can I get a 1.8 drive shaft?
Oh. Wait. All right, you gotta do it again for 651 My Garage. He's almighty. I don't know how these guys are so loud.
Hey, your door's open, I think.
That's crazy. Trae Moua, what you gonna do about that? What are you gonna do? What are you gonna do?
Hey, chill with that, bro.
Yeah, you tell him, Trae Moua. Yeah, you tell him. All right, let's walk down. Wait, we already walked down style. We saw this focus. We gotta go one more. One more. Yo, look at the Subies. What's up? Look at the Subies, though. These are super rare. They're kind of expensive for what they are. Correct. Yo, whose Mustang's over here? Yo. Oh, it's Final Boss. All right, I like it. Oh, there's the GT500. All right, we got some cool stuff out here. Let's take a closer look. GT500 just chilling. All right. I like this, dude. This is sick. So sick. A real GT500, you guys. Jeez. I like it. I should just do the GT500 front bumper swap and be a poser like everyone else, but jeez, this thing. Ooh.
I'm too slow.
Dude.
Look at the Buick, yo. Yo, he got intake. Yo, what's up? How is this guy gonna pop his hood but no BMWs and like,
He even got the strut.
dude, look at this. Crazy out here, guys. Just keep walking down the line. Got a lot of cars to cover. Sorry if I don't go to your car. There's just so much stuff out here, and everything looks pretty. I wouldn't say boring, but not modified is what I want to say. So. Joe, I've never seen Eclipse.
Dude, I could park it right here next to
Yeah, you could. Oh, it's Subi. Let's go look at Subi over here.
Oh, he's from yesterday.
Yo, whose Subi's this? Oh man, stage 2.
made it.
Man, got gold plated intercooler. We got a C7Z over there. That must be Miguel.
Older and faster.
Subi snack, all right. This has to be Miguel. This is sick. Oh wow, there's a lot of cool cars over here actually. CTSV. I like this. Yeah, we're gonna get to the Jag in a little bit. Here's another V. This is sick. I like it. I like this. I don't even know what this is.
Camino.
Camino, yeah. That's cool. Oh, okay. All right. What else? Oh, damn. Damn, ST, yo. Gold plated. Jeez, man, these guys going gold everywhere. All right. Yo, turbo just sits like that?
No, they don't. They actually sit back here.
What the? This is sick. Whose man's this?
To work on?
This is kind of cool. All right, we like that.
We need to have.
Yeah, business cards. All right, what is this? Bi-turbo?
Everything's slow here.
Hey, I'm scouting them out. Scouting. Grand Lond. Got an Audi. All right. Oh yeah.
No, you fucking leave me.
Damn, what is this? That's a pretty cool Mustang. I don't know. Okay, that's kind of cool actually. I like that. We got a Subi snack. All right.
Hey, you gotta
Yo, Lambo revving. All right, let's go. We got a Lambo revving up. Let's walk down the line. Charger, GTI. Oh, more eggs. More eggs. Stage 2. S2K. All right. What is this? New M. This is kind of fast. Where? Hazards. Throwing
Is
a.
this Andy? Yeah.
It's pretty cool. Oh, look at that Rapdo. Dude, that's kind of cool. Nice. S2Ks, we like it. All right. What is this? Some Volkswagen. This is kind of cool. Different.
Smart with the mirrors.
Yeah. Couple Qs over here. Oh, Subi, yo. We found them. Grimspeed, what's up?
Wire touch?
Ah. Turbo. It's down. Turbos are down here. Down the bottom. And then the intakes, it's right there. So it's alright. We got more Subis over here. Oh.
Was that a SC?
Oh, we got the Euro stuff over here. All right. F-type.
Kevin, man.
Kevin. Aren't you a little young for this section?
Yeah.
What are you trying to say?
Hey. Clips. We have never seen clips of this generation in a long time. I don't think we've even seen many clipses out here. Wow. We got some Fox bodies. All right. What else is out here? Oh, what's up? We got some more types. Chryslers. All right. M3. GTR. I'm surprised, but the money's still there. Yo, whose Mustang's this? Jeez, look at this guy. Yo, you put a dyno sheet and some money out there? That's crazy. That's crazy. Dang. It's a Stinger. I don't even know that. Yeah. Who is that? We need some content. Please. Go let everyone know. Whoa.
Oh, it's like Granny.
Oh, let's go. What are you doing? That's nice. Get some Mustang love. Yo, more. What's up?
What's up, guys?
Mustangs. Subi over here. He's a real Subi enthusiast. Got STI right there. Yeah. Big sweet. What is this? Okay. Damn. Triumph. I MR2s, all right. We like them. We like them. What else? What else is good? Dang, there's people parked way over there. Holy smokes, dude. That's crazy. We'll get to that, I guess. We got some trucks. Oh, trucks over here. Got a lot of bikes. I like bikes. I know. I've seen this. Dang. This is the real deal. Like, we need more of this. Team Rogue out here. All right. All right. We like the bikes. That's cool. Yeah. Oh, damn. Okay. That's sick. His headlights are really dark. You should offer to clean his headlights so they're a little more clear.
You gotta make business cards.
Business cards. Hey, yeah. Practice some products on there. Super snack. All right. Came from Wisconsin. Not bad. Oh, we got NSX over here. All right. This is so sick. Look at this building. Look at this. Ew. This perfect screen. I know, that's dope.
Oh, Phoenix yellow type car? Oh, Winoco and Penn Avenue.
We got an Evo over here. All right. Can't even see the turbo. It's so small. It's so small. Yo, we got the whole Focus section over here. Whoa. Oh. Ooh, that's what I'm saying. Yo, even over here, dude. Team Focus must have reserved this. Like, holy smokes. What up? Oh. Dude. Team Focus is stacked out here. Holy cow. Where? Team Focus is completely stacked out here. The biggest car group out here, period. Like 30, 40 cars here. That's crazy.
It goes down more.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Damn, Team Focus is going big. Holy cow. That is crazy. Wow, it goes all the way down there too? Holy cow.
Oh, look at that OG body kit on it.
Yo, that thing's sweet. Aston Martin, alright.
Oh, then there's just a Honda cord.
Cord in the back here.
K24, you know.
Woo. It's an absolute riot out here, you guys. Hopefully no one gets hurt. Oh, another Eclipse. All right. Just like that, we've kind of covered all the cars. I'm sorry, there's a really bad coverage of all the cars, but
You see this? Who's this?
dude, we are still flowing in with people. Holy smokes, we are still flowing in here. Complete traffic jam. I bet you a couple of these guys are gonna do some polls, so we're gonna go over here and check things out. We'll see what's up over here. Oh yeah, let's get it. Woo! Holy smokes. Jeez almighty. Can't wait till they start doing that more. Oh yeah, here we go. These guys just ripping up and down. Maybe.
Oh shit, let's hear it. Rotary.
Rip it up.
It's a turbo roll. That's a 13B, that's not a 12A.
All right. Let's go, boy. Crazy Rich Asians. That's it. So dangerous, dude.
We should have someone like tracking this shit.
As much as I like it, it's gonna be dangerous.
I'm asking to ride today. I'm riding in.
Jeez, people are just whipping it. Hey. Damn. Where's the spoiler? We're gonna check out what else is over here. Oh, that damn, that's a pond. Yo, let's walk over. Who's got a fishing pole? Throw it in. God dang, that's straight pond. Oh.
Yeah, this is the Mercedes like employee lot.
I see. That's crazy. Dang, dude, it is so packed over here too. Holy
This is the employee
crap.
lot, man. Honda.
It's crazy. Hey, Trae Moua again over here. People are just parking wherever they want to park now. It is so crazy. You never know. There could be some hidden gems over here. Looks like a pretty nice truck. Oh, he on a nice tire.
E36.
Woo.
That's all you see in Cali.
You know where the rest of them are?
I think this is the one that's.
It's a right-hand drive? Hey, what is this?
Oh, that's a Nissan President, bro.
Dude, that thing's sweet. That thing should be over there. What the hell? Dang. Yo. What's up? This festival is nice. Everything's sick. You never know what you're gonna find behind the scenes, if you guys know what I mean. So, this is the overflow parking lot. I don't even know if they can park over here, but
No, this is Mercedes parking.
people are just parking wherever. People don't care
You
no
should
more.
park up here, right? You can park up here.
Yeah, sweet. People are just parking everywhere. Dude, it is. People are just everywhere today. Oh, smokes. Go.
Oh, that red interior,
Yeah,
full
for real.
bucket seats.
Damn. But listen, turbo,
Oh, here's something.
eco boost. Dang, there's a whole nother society over here. Oh my goodness. A build truck. Subi, let's go. Dang, what is that? That thing's sweet. Look at this. It's not even part of the main show. It's way over here.
It's hitting.
Oh my gosh. Look at this beast. That's what we like to see. Yeah, dude, that's got two of them.
Jesus.
Size of my head. Gage is outside, so he's a real racer. That's just crazy. Woo. This thing's sweet. 2 turbos outside. Wow. I know, that bad's nasty, dude. Wow. Just look how big that tire is. Jeez. Let's keep walking down the line here. Alright. His reverse lights are on. Civic SI 6. Dude, people are parking on the grass. Oh my gosh. Let's go. Dude, this is see it over there. Let's go check it out. Woo! There's a bat. He's dope. It's pretty sick, you guys. Parking on the grass out here.
Best like commercial picture right
Oh, I know, that's sick.
now. 4Runners on there.
And then people are parking at the apartments over there.
Dude,
Like, dude, people are parking everywhere. They must be pissed. Hey, you should park on the grass. There's room. Oh, Turbo C4 made it here. I think this is the one I ran.
Yeah, it is.
Definitely the one I ran. There's a bullet Mustang. Yeah, that's it. Why should park over here?
Park in front. I want to drive the bike.
And then we got a Viper over
I feel like I'll
here.
crash it.
ZR1 over here.
Actual.
We got some. Oh, we got a lot of hidden gems over here. Look at this.
You don't even hear it. Take that speed on like a
Ooh,
champ.
yeah, he took that thing. Damn. All right.
KVD10.
Grim speed. A lot of Grim speed out here. No JM. Oh, it's an RX. Dude, there's an RX-7. Did we miss that?
Wait, that's the 3-rotor one.
Dude.
This is a 3-rotor.
Tri-rotor. Let's go. Look at this. Dude.
Yeah, so this engine came off of a Mazda Cosmo.
Dude, that is sick. Hidden gem over here. Wow. Check this thing out, you guys. 3-rotor.
I want to see this run.
That thing's so sick. Wow. Run it. Run it. The turbo over here, boys. Look at this thing. another Mustang over here, but it's a Terminator.
Big ass Ford truck.
That's a big old truck. Cool. You want to run it?
Not tuned.
What? They always be like that. They always be like that.
Non-tuned. Speed bump. There's hella speed bumps. Watch out.
Holy moly, Subi gang out here. Ooh, they got some clean cars over here.
Hey, this is a good one.
This is good. I like
Oh,
this.
that's my homie Nick.
Yeah, I like this. I like this too. This is pretty dope. It's the sheesh. How did he get to park over here?
Ooh, yellow.
Does he live here? Or it's the sheesh. Subi soda.
Oh shit, they're all talking.
Subi soda. Oh my gosh. Let's go. This man is sponsored up the wazoo.
Wiener dog.
Why isn't this parked at the show? What the heck? That's crazy. A lot of police. Because we are parked at a residential area, so Trae Moua, you're probably gonna get in trouble. C8, gosh, this thing's so nasty. I really want one. California edition or something. Dude, look at this view. It is absolutely crazy out here, you guys. Nice, Subi.
Stage 2?
Oh, this thing looks fast. This is a big truck. That thing's huge. Camaro out here. What's good? Supercharged?
Okay.
All right.
Oh, what's up? What color is that? That's just nice.
I don't think it's bad. It's one of the, is it one of the rare colors?
Oh yeah, it's a color. Dude, that's just nice.
We got Type R over here.
On the off-road type of.
On the snow. That's crazy. It don't sound too healthy, but is what it is. Speed Hunter. Damn. Okay, maybe. This is sick.
Done good. There's hella spots right there.
Nope, it's not bad.
See the grade.
Sell it. Oh, I need to race this guy. This guy right here. Yeah, he's been out and about. Sell it.
Big. It is big.
Dang it, I missed it. I knew it was bagged.
And it has gauges, dude.
Didn't we just see another? Oh, this is ZL1. ZL1. I knew it.
We got back out.
We got a random Supra just chilling over here. Jeez. Oh my. Oh.
Everybody's getting scared.
Look at this ice setup. He's trying to copy me my setup. That's cool. I started a trend. I like your GoPro setup, sir. This guy's asking for advice on how to set this up.
Is this the right stuff?
Yeah, it looks good. Any stick will work. The mount, it looks, as long as it's stable. I mean, if it hooks, it hooks.
Cool, I learned from the best.
Yeah, there's only one way to know. Do a couple pulls. Hey, it's so packed. You can't even leave if you wanted to. We got Trae Moua. What do you gotta say? You hosted the biggest meet the world's ever seen. Hey.
But we got 45 minutes to leave before they start towing shit, so.
Really?
Yeah.
Damn, the man did it himself. He shut down the whole city, dude.
I guess.
We should do it again next week. What do you think?
Same spot.
Same spot.
You're all trespassing on private property and you need to leave within the next 45 minutes, otherwise you'll be ticketed and towed. Again, this is a Bloomington Police. You have 45 minutes to vacate this property, otherwise you'll be ticketed and towed.
Everyone's saying boo. Don't all leave at once.
Dude got me drone footage.
Cool, what?
He got me drone footage. And he gave me his card.
Yeah.
How does it feel, 651 my garage?
And you guys heard it. We all gotta get going. It's gonna be an absolute zoo trying to get out of here, but we gotta figure something out. Yeah, this is the infamous setup. kicked out, and we're trying to get out, but you know how things go when you got probably 2,000 some cars here. You know, you can't even get out, you can't move, can't do nothing. So I don't know what to really do. We can go this way, I guess. We are back home finally, you guys. We went to a couple of different meets along the ways, but I probably won't show this in this video, but I just want to give a huge shout out to Trae Moua. And dude, what a crazy show today he put on. Oh my gosh. Completely like closed down a whole entire city, you guys. Totally destroyed an entire city. Complete traffic locked the whole entire city with the car show. So crazy, but probably wasn't the best idea, but hey man, it was a great turnout. The cops had to shut it down due to a lot of traffic issues and crazy people doing crazy things in Mustangs. And no, there really wasn't any Mustangs there, but a lot of people were doing pulls, you know, burnouts, getting dangerous. So we had to shut it down, I guess. But nonetheless, great show. We're just going to see what kind of content I actually captured, because it's so hard to go to car shows or car meets and everyone's saying hi to you and this and that. And everyone's been saying this is the TikTok Mustang, which that's cool too. You know, I'm pretty happy about that. But nonetheless, it was a great turnout, and I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I tried to cover everyone's car as best I could. I tried to walk around the whole entire area, so I apologize if I didn't show like your entire car, go through everything. I probably didn't. Honestly, there's just so many cars there. I just walked down the aisles as best I could, and if I didn't see it, I didn't see it, you know. So no hard feelings to everyone. I really tried to cover everyone's cars, and definitely we got to do this again. I really want to do more car shows and stuff, but great car show, great car meet, great beginner event for the season, and we'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.